certain countries of disease. We were on this portion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Imanj also tell me how many classes he told me. I'm not getting like how many classes you told me. According to me, I guess we did drop 2 days or 3 days in between. When I was telling you that I was not free at that time, so we dropped 2 days. I guess we didn't take any class simultaneous 2 days, right? Or 3 days.
Ma'am, on 17, 18, 19, we have not 3 days. We are not able, ma'am.
17, 18, 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3 days. And before that, I guess we did have taken all the classes, or I guess one or two classes are remaining
Ma'am, on the 11th June also we have missed one, ma'am, because on that day actually links are not generated, ma'am. I forgot
only
to ask. 11th June, ma'am.
okay, 11th.
Yes, ma'am. And as per record, we can say 15th and 16th only morning 10 a.m. we have not joined, ma'am. We said you said that ma'am, we'll continue at 12 p.m.
Okay. So one more day means 4 days. 4 days.
Yes, ma'am.
4 days means if I consider 4 days, 4 days means 15 classes. Is that so?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
15 classes accordingly. That is four classes.
Yes, ma'am.
15 classes pending.
Ma'am, on the 12th, we have taken 4 completely, ma'am. 13th, 4 done, ma'am. 14th, it's in holiday, ma'am. Sunday, that's why we taken, ma'am. 15th, 16, 2 classes done, ma'am, each day.
Okay.
17, 18, no class, ma'am. 19 also, ma'am. 28th July, we have taken 1 class, ma'am. And 21, no class. Yesterday, 1 class we have taken, ma'am.
Because when I updated you for the so how many class remaining according to you then? Bunch.
Ma'am, total done classes are 4, 8, 19, 14 total completed, ma'am.
14 completed.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on the 10th, there were no class, ma'am. On the 11th, no classes we have taken. Ma'am, on 12th,
So
4 we have.
according to you, how many classes are remaining?
Ma'am, 26 is it's according to WhatsApp that I have shared, ma'am, every day. Like, okay, ma'am, I've joined, ma'am, like that.
26 classes according to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't that too high? 26 classes. I also need to check it on because according to my, I just thought it to be near to 16 classes is remaining.
Ma'am, I will recheck and I will again message that dates also, ma'am, like messages, everything clear.
No, no, no. It's like you messaged me and after that we joined the class.
Yes, ma'am. Like that, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, I'm saying with dates, ma'am. Ma'am, on the from the 10th to 22nd July, ma'am. 10th July, actually classes completed, ma'am. And on that day evening, I have paid, ma'am, for 20. So you said the total 40 are pending now, ma'am. On 11th July, there was no class, ma'am.
It's like 11th July. I've already scheduled it from my end. I'm month. Isn't that?
Ma'am, I have not checked that. Yes, ma'am.
It's like 15th July. Whatsoever in 15th July won't be able to take class now. Join at 15th July. I can see over here.
Yes, ma'am. 15th July and 16th July also we have taken 2 classes, ma'am.
15th and 16th as well.
Yes, ma'am. 16 July also, ma'am.
Okay. So 4 classes then we can say.
Yes, ma'am. And on 13th,
Then,
12th, 4 classes we have taken, ma'am.
huh?
On the 12th
13th.
July and 13th July, ma'am. 4 we have taken, ma'am. 8 classes.
I'll leave then for the let's discuss about the dates then.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 17, 18, 19, no classes were there now, ma'am.
17th, 18th and 19th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3 days, continuous 3 days you are telling me we didn't take any class. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am. Because there's no
Not even
mess.
no class.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because
Uh-huh.
I'm not messaging.
But it's like 17th, 18th, 19th. Isn't there any day where I called you? I'm remembering a day when I called you for the classes.
Ma'am,
Isn't that
yes,
so?
ma'am. That one, 20th, we have taken one class, ma'am. That 1 to 2, yes, ma'am. On that day, we have done that.
17th, 18th, and 19th, you're telling me? 17th, 18th, and 19th?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from 17 to 22nd, ma'am, 2 classes totally done, ma'am.
17th, 18th, I have called you on 18th, 12, 7, at 12, 7. I don't know why.
Yes, ma'am. On that day, one class we have taken, ma'am, of MOT only,
And
ma'am.
also at the 6:56 p.m. also I have called you. Why is it so? I don't know. I guess your mother called me at that time,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. On that day, yes, ma'am, my mother called me, ma'am.
Uh, because I'm remembering that I have taken your class.
On that day, one class we have taken, no, on that same day, evening, my mother called you, ma'am.
Okay. So 4 classes of this. I will approximately take it to 20 classes. Okay, Himansh?
Yes, ma'am.
And 20 classes cost out comes out to be I guess 175 per class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 20 classes it will cost how much?
And 3 5 double 0.
Hmm? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
3500. So according to this, I told you that 300 per class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now how many class to schedule now? Do let me know.
Mm, and 13.3 will be pending, ma'am. 13 classes will be.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. 14 is 13.3 near to our spending. I will adjust the amount then now. But do let me know from today itself because today we are having only accordingly 2 classes, right? Uh, I'll take your 1 class now and then remaining 20 classes I'll schedule accordingly. But tell me that how many total classes you want to see. Just leave this, okay, and leave this. Now this is your amount with me. Now you tell me, Himansh, how many classes you want me to schedule from today itself, and we will have a record of all the classes that we are taking and we are not taking. Okay, after this.
Yes, ma'am. No, for now,
So that,
keep it, ma'am.
so now we will make a record of whatever classes we are skipping in a day, so that it will help us to then afterwards. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
tell me how many classes you want me to schedule for this month.
Ma'am, 20 can say, ma'am, for this month, ma'am, July.
20 classes.
Yes, ma'am.
20 classes for this month. No, it's like one second, one second. Just remove 1 month. Just consider, or you want me to schedule 20 classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So 20 classes goes to 6,000.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have given me 3500, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So your amount comes out to be 2500 you need to pay me. I'll schedule a 25.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that
Okay.
fine? Okay, now Himansh.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I'll schedule a 20 classes. And tell me that you want only 20 classes for now to schedule any other.
Ma'am, after before 20, I will schedule another 20. Ma'am.
Okay, got it. 20 means in 10 days it will be finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And from today itself, I'll try to schedule some classes on Sunday as well.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So as to complete it more wisely, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Oh, so just pay me 2500 and I'll schedule your all the classes, including Sundays as well, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Alright then, Himansh. Let's continue now with the topic. It's sorted now?